Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a really quick 5-minute plan, and this will be brilliant if you're just starting out and you want to make money. This is one of the quickest ways of doing it. So I'm going to walk you through and give you a step-by-step of exactly what to do, and if you do it, the chances are very good that you'll start making money. And if you need extra help with this, so as we go through the plan, do check out the link below. I've got some spots left for the 4-week coaching. What it will do for you is literally give you everything you need to be able to get up and running in a high-end niche. All the keywords picked out for you, so you don't have to worry about research or anything like that. You get a free planner for the content to make it really easy, a complete setup guide, a content guide, exactly how to write it and how to do all the keyword content as well, SEO guide so you actually rank, and then a complete guarantee. So you follow the training. It's 4 weeks training. You complete the tasks, and if you do not make one sale, I'll give you a full refund. The actual aim of the coaching is so that you get out there and you get a site that's making you money, which then you can build up, or you build a site if you want to flip it for a quick lump sum. You can do that, so you can flip it for 8 times the cost of the coaching. So if you're struggling with this stuff and you go through this video and you're like, I still can't do it, I don't understand it, the specifics and so on, then join the coaching. It's going to be well worth your time, and it will cut out all that endless stuff and endless products that sidetrack you, where you end up going round and round in circles. So if that sounds like good fun, do watch the video. It will explain exactly what you get in the video and show you exactly how it works, and I'd love to have you with us. I've still got some spots, so check out that link below. But what I wanted to do in this video is just give you a really quick 5-minute plan that will work. So here we go. Amazon. This is exactly what you should do. So I've done the work for you. One of the quickest ways that you can make money with Amazon when building SEO sites, okay, sites that rank via search engine optimization, is to go to Flipper. I've mentioned this before, but I'll just walk you through in a step-by-step and pick one out for you. Go to Flipper and make sure that you look for just Amazon sites, blog and review sites, and make sure that you look for just the sold. You can also look for the ones that are open, that are doing well, but for the purposes of this video, for time, I've just picked out the ones that have sold recently. Then all you need to do is find a site that has sold for a decent amount, that is ranking via SEO, meaning the traffic is actually coming from organic searches, okay, rather than paid or social. So just organic as much as possible. If you have 80-90% organic searches coming in and traffic, you know that that's ranking on Google, okay. The next thing that you have to look at is the site age, how long it's been around, and also how much content's on it, for an idea. But I've picked one out. Here we go. Pick a Kayak, $14,000. This is actually quite a good high-end niche. I've gone through to the listing here. This is making, or was making, $341 per month. It ended 25 days ago, so it's sold recently, okay. So you don't have to worry about this being years ago or anything like that. It has got, it does say somewhere, it's got around about 100 pieces of content on the site. It does say somewhere, I can't find it now, but it actually tells you it's got about 100 pieces of content, $345. I'm not saying that you go and build a 100-page site instantly if you're just starting out, but what I am saying quite simply is this. When we go through to the site, so I'll just go down here and show you this stuff. Organic search, 77%, okay? So that means 77% of the traffic is coming from organic search. We've also got revenue and profit, which is good. $419 in a month isn't bad. $285 in August, $198 in May, $299 in March, $215 in February, January 158. So it's growing nicely and going up and down and moving up, okay? The site is also sold for $14,000. So you can use this as a base to build your own site to replicate those results. And I'm not saying that you will do $14,000 when you sell it, or I'm not saying you'll do $200, $300, $400 a month straight away, but this has got all the information that you need for something that you can reverse engineer. So all you do is you go through to the site, and here it is, and you can see all the reviews. I know I've mentioned this before, but this is the best way. If you want a quick 5-minute plan, this is the best way. We know it's an Amazon site. You can see everything they're targeting in terms of keywords. You can also do your own keyword research aside from the site to find other key phrases and so on. And it's a tremendous base that you could use to go into this niche and replicate results. Now let me be really clear. I'm not saying that you go and look at this site and you just word for word copy the content. Obviously don't do that. It's illegal, and it's you just don't do it, okay? It's not going to help you anyway. If you did, you're not going to rank. So you need to be able to construct and write your own content, but if you're prepared to do it, you can make money. It's as simple as that. You know, when you're looking for proof it works and all of that stuff, there you go. Just go to Flippa, look at the sold sites, look how much content that they've got going on, check their social accounts, check the organic amount, and if they're getting a lot of traffic organically and they're not getting a lot of traffic socially or paid, then they're ranking via SEO. Couple of pointers before you go into just doing it. Main thing that you want to do, grab a domain name. Obviously, if you're doing it how I teach, I'd start with the product reviews and then branch out into the keyword stuff, or you could follow suit exactly off their site. What you also definitely want to make sure that you've got, very important for yourself to see the rankings and see the clicks. Google Analytics, okay, so that will tell you just traffic and lots of other stuff, but just use it for traffic. Google Search Console, which will show you this. It will show you rankings and clicks and impressions and average position. You need to make sure that you've got it on the site, and that's made really easy with a plugin called Google Site Kit. It will also install page speed insights as well, so you can just literally install that on your WordPress blog, follow the steps, and you'll be set up. Then all you need to do is get a schedule down. So I'll just show you this, okay? So we've got this site that we know has sold for a decent amount of money. We can see all the keywords that they're targeting and exactly how they're doing it. And if you need more and you wanted to branch out and you want to see how profitable the niche is to keep the site and build it up, you can go to a tool like Ubersuggest. And you can see I've just typed in kayak for the purposes of this video, but you'd probably want to go more narrow and like buy kayak. But look at this, 2-person kayak, 40,500 searches a month. Kayak with pedals, 33,000. Kayak, you could do ocean kayak, okay, 18,100, and so on. So you search for the different types of kayak versus canoe, 14,800 searches. A load of searches. I recommend that you start with a good base with this site, because like if you were doing this site, because it's already selling well or has sold really well, and that's it. The steps that you'd follow is this: grab a domain, go to Amazon.com and start reviewing the products, and I recommend having at least 5 reviews for each type. What I mean by each type is when you go type kayak into Amazon, you can see all the kayaks come up. You can see that they're selling, touring kayaks and so on. And you can see the different types: foldable, inflatable, modular, or sit on top. Do a different category on your site for each one of them. Write 5 reviews for each, or ideally 10 reviews for each if you've got it. Look, here we go. This is just the foldable kayaks. Okay. Write your reviews for them. Have that on the site. Then go back to this one and use this as a base for your keyword content and your, here we go. That's 7 best inflatable kayaks under $500, and you can link back to the reviews that you've done and follow suit on that. Set the site up with the categories properly, good SEO, write in the content, and you'll make money. And that's the quickest possible way. Now the only thing that's going to stop you doing that is, number 1, you're not going to do the work, okay? I can't help with that, but that is a big thing. That does happen. Number 2, you don't know how to do the stuff. Articles, writing content, doing the SEO, putting the links in, setting it up for a good click-through rate, working out what's ranking and what's not ranking so you can actually go forward and do it. If that's the case, the only way around that is to learn it. And if you want to learn it, come and join the 4-week coaching. If you're able to follow what I've said in this video and you think, okay Chris, yeah, that sounds good and I'm able to do it, you probably don't need the coaching. You probably just need to do it. But if you want to go through step by step, no one will be left behind. Check out the video. I won't give you a sales pitch or anything like that, but if you've enjoyed this video, you've watched this far, you'll probably love the coaching if you need the extra help. So check out the video. I'll put the link below and I'd love to see you inside. I think it will really help you. I hope that plan helps you, and let me know if you need anything. Cheers for watching, guys.